Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how I made some gingerbread cookie themed magnets out of air dry clay. And so let's just get started. To make my gingerbread magnets, I'm going to use this gingerbread cookie cutter set that I got from Amazon, and it has 4 different sizes, so I decided to go with the second smallest size. And then I wanted to add a little outfit to each gingerbread man, so I traced out the gingerbread size that I picked, and then I drew their little outfits out so I could use these as stencils. And so I wanted to do a baker gingerbread man, a Santa gingerbread man, just a plain gingerbread man, a gingerbread man that has been bitten into, and then a girl. I'm rolling out my clay and I'm using Dad's air dry clay, and then I'm going to trace out all of the little outfits that I made. Three of my gingerbread men have bows, and so I'm tracing out the little bows right here, and I made a 4th one just in case I screwed up one of the bows really bad. I'm rolling out more clay and I'm going to cut out 5 gingerbread men. Now I'm going to add on all of the little outfits to each gingerbread man, and I'm using some slip to help everything attach better. This one is just a regular gingerbread man, so I'm only adding on his little bow tie. This one is my gingerbread woman, and so I'm adding a little bow to her hair, and then I'm going to add on her little dress. Now I'm doing my Santa gingerbread man, and this little weird looking thing that I have is his bag of toys, and then I'm going to add on his little Santa hat and a bow tie. For this gingerbread man, I'm adding on a little scarf, and then I'm going to trace out 2 bite marks on the top of his head because this is the one that's been bitten into. Lastly, this gingerbread man is my baker, so I'm going to add on his little chef's hat and a bow tie. And then I decided that I wanted to make a rolling pin for him, so with a little bit of clay I rolled out the body of a rolling pin, and then for the little handles I just took a little bit of clay, rolled that out into a very small coil, and used the ends to attach them onto the rolling pin for the handles of the rolling pin. Now that all of my little gingerbread men are done, I'm going to set them aside and let them dry for a few days.
A few moments later.
Here are my little gingerbread men dry, so now I'm going to paint them. Since all of my gingerbread men are now fully painted, I'm going to use some puff paint to add on their little faces and like the rest of the design that I wanted to give them. And you could also use spackling to do this part, and that might give it more of like a realistic look, but I just went with the puff paint because I was out of spackling. The little dots that I added around her neck were supposed to be like a pearl necklace, but I didn't really end up liking that look, so I ended up scraping that off. And then I let the puff paint dry on all of the gingerbread men for a full 24 hours before I decided to seal this with Decor Art's triple thick gloss glaze. The last thing I'm going to do is hot glue on some magnets. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!